big branch fell off the tree like it broke. There was a big storm coming and the branch broke and it hit the bonnet, and we ran into a bit of a problem. Our colors doesn't match. What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we'll be fixing the Golf 7, and this Golf 7 actually has a funny story. So this is a family friend's car, and we were actually at her place today and she asked us to fix this nicely bad fender, and we were talking about it and all that, and just before we left a big branch fell off the tree like it broke. There was a big storm coming and the branch broke and it hit the bonnet on several places, and also I don't know if it broke the bumper there or not, but so yeah, now we have to fix it. So she dropped it off this morning. We're gonna start stripping it now, so let's get to it. Cool. Okay guys, so we got the bumper fully disassembled, and now we're gonna check if Marcel can pop out that nice dent for us there. Let's try. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's okay now. There's still one here in front, but we still have to fix the bonnet. So the insurance actually only pays for the bonnet and the bumper, but they don't want to pay for the fender, so we are gonna go ahead and fix it anyway.
Yeah, because it looks bad.
So yeah, but now we need to get out the dents out of the bonnet and the fender, and then we'll continue from there. Try number 5.
Grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the
Finally,
page.
10 hours
But I didn't
late.
like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream. I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong? What fame brings? But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Okay guys, so we got everything prepped, sanded, and we already packed them ready, so we can just clean them, mix up the paint, and well, mix up the primer and give them some primer.
Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Okay guys, so it's the next day, and what we need to do today is we need to use this fine polyester filler, because the body filler always leaves like small holes in the paint, and we need to fill that up, otherwise you're gonna see that in the final coat. And also we need to fix the stone chip, because there's a lot of stone chips on the hood of the car. So let's mix this up and get that all sealed up.
Cool.
Okay guys, so we got everything prepared. All we need to do now is take the cars away, set everything up, and then we can give it some paint. Okay guys, so it's the next day, and while the panels we painted are baking in the sun, we are gonna pull in the car and replace that radiator support, because it is broken as we said earlier, and we do have a new one. So let's get that one off and install the new one.
Cool.
Okay guys, so we got the new radiator support cradle installed, and what we need to do now is we need to put back like the bonnet and the fender and the bumper, because they're already nice and dry. They baked the entire day in the sun. So now we need to assemble the bumper first before we can put it on. So let's get to it.
Cool.
Okay guys, so it's actually a few days later, and we ran into a bit of a problem. Our colors doesn't match. The color we painted is darker than the original color of the car. So we took the car back and they mixed us some new paint. Now we have to strip everything again, and the bumper, because we already assembled the bumper. So now I have to strip that, sand it down again, give it some fresh paint again, and hopefully this time it comes out right. Okay guys, so now everything is baking in the sun and it's already dry. So now it's time to put it on and see if it matches. Okay guys, so we are done assembling everything, so now it's time to see if it matches. You guys have to wait, so we have to polish it first. Okay guys, so once again we had another satisfied client, and if you were satisfied with this video, give it a like, And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.
Cheers.